Today, we're here to talk about Triclosan. No Triclosan. ScienceDirect.com identifies Triclosan is a phenyl ether with broad spectrum antimicrobial action, which is employed in a great number of everyday household and personal care products, including plastics, fabrics, soaps and deodorants, etc. We need to be informed. Did you know that Triclosan is in most products that you use? How do we move forward from here? Time magazine had an article in Health and Public Health. It says Triclosan is still allowed in toothpaste. Here's what you should know in toothpaste. This is something that should blow our mind. We are happy to introduce the ZytoScan to the American Health Summit. It is registered by the FDA as a Class 2 medical device. Worried about hydration? Check out the Zyto. We couldn't give you this information about Triclosan in toothpaste without telling you the toothpaste that does not have it. Tom's of Maine toothpaste, Swanson's toothpaste, Nature's Gate, Crest toothpaste, Jason's toothpaste, and Trader Joe's peppermint toothpaste. Triclosan has been used as a preservative, antibacterial, and antifungal. It was patented and used in medical supplies in 1964, and by 1987, it was being used in consumer products. Oh, we should definitely question this. Let's look at Canada. They are fighting Triclosan in their water. Everyone should. Triclosan is not approved as a food preservative in Europe. Triclosan has been identified in drinking water in certain places. Triclosan was listed in 1986 as a preservative in cosmetic products and deodorant, to include urethral stents, Triclosan-coated sutras, and surgical scrubs. Information. Triclosan can react with chlorine to form chlorinated byproducts, such as chloroform, which the World Health Organization categorizes as a possible human carcinogen. Now that's deep. Gram-negative bacteria, Triclosan, a used biocide. It produces antibiotic resistance. Our recommendation? Buy from companies that do not have Triclosan in their products. Fake Diseases by Ryan Alexander is very insightful because you know what it says? The disease is the lack of health. So if you have the lack of health and we're talking about Triclosan, imagine the products that you put in your body that you're really not supposed to be putting in your body. And you got deficiencies. So how about we cure the deficiencies? Fake Diseases goes even further to say, there are always pathogens around. We will always need to support and promote a healthy body and immune system. Chances are we will still get sick a few times in life. None of this is new, but the world has changed dramatically because of what we believe to be a fake disease. And my biggest concerns about it, it's all political. Did you know that some diseases are political? Wow. Do you know what you're picking off the shelf? We at Leola chose Triclosan as a research and development project to better inform consumers of the safety of their health, and that's why we're here before you today. The FDA has banned Triclosan in soap, some. The FDA also said that their evidence showed that Triclosan in Colgate toothpaste was effective in preventing gingivitis. FDA.gov. Let's talk safety. Safety and effectiveness of consumer antiseptics, topical antimicrobial drug products for over-the-counter human consumption is not recommended as safe. This is what the FDA is saying. Thank you. We at Leola believe that regulatory agencies must protect the public when it comes to health, and every single agency, industries that are involved with the public must protect the public. Triclosan is in our soil, it's in our women's breast milk, and it's in our urine. The products with Triclosan that are infiltrating our water systems, We must protect our water systems. Triclosan has been used as a pesticide in the United States of America since 1969, and it includes commercial, institutional, industrial, all kind of equipment, residential and public access premises, and as a material preservative. Who can say that that is truly good? Triclosan and triclocarbon. Triclocarbon is another name for triclosan if you can't find it, but guess what? It's an environmental pollutant. The parts of the endocrine system are the hypothalamus, the pituitary, the thyroid, which is the largest gland, the parathyroids, the adrenals, the pineal body, the ovaries, and the testes. Stay Well Leola is honored to be a part of the American Health Summit. Now you can hear more as we have an interview with the retired nurse entrepreneur. Give her a round of applause. Hello, I'm Annette Davis-Jackson, and I'm proud to do this interview with such a great, experienced registered nurse. What does wellness mean to you? I hope that after this presentation of Triclosan, you will take a better look at what you pick up on the shelf.